be a thug. Remember I met.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Benny and I'm back with another video. If you're a new watcher, subscribe before you start this video. Show me some love. Whatever. If you're already subscribed, welcome back to my channel. Today is gonna be the last time that you guys see me with this red hair. I low-key didn't even have it for that long, but I low-key don't want it anymore. So yeah, I've been wanting to dye my hair orange for like a minute, and it's like it's always something coming up. I dyed my hair orange last month, but my cousin wanted to do orange for her birthday. She never did orange, so I didn't really want to be on her, you know, to her look. So I just did with the red. But for New Year's, I dyed my hair. Well, I was doing a little touch up to my hair, and I grabbed the wrong color. I don't know how I grabbed the wrong color, but I did. But I grabbed the wrong color, and yeah, this is what happened. It's not as red as it was before, and I don't have my little streak here, my reddish streak, and I don't like that. So I'll just dye orange, because like I'm not gonna go back red. Like, and my hair is just so soft right now, so healthy, and just about to ruin it. Like, if you know me, you know I'm always dyeing my hair. We're gonna use no bleach. We're gonna do the developer and the high color. And let me tell you about these. This is color, the color I'm doing is copper. I went to like a good 6 beauty supply stores and they were sold out. I went to one, they only had one, and then Lily was like telling me how copper is really popular. I'm like, girl, I know. I went to like a couple, they didn't have nothing. And then I went to the some other one that was like down the block from it, and they had these last two. So I'm gonna be using the 40 developer. I never go by the rules. I should, but I'm not. We have the little, then we have our gloves here, and then right after I finish everything, I'm gonna put on this mask, this hair mask to put on my hair, because I don't want my hair floating out. I've been dyeing my hair like crazy. We're gonna go and take off our jewelry, because I dyed my hair last time in this, not this one, my other chain that I had, and it turned it red. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some Vaseline around, you know, this hairline, because this dye, well, the highlight, whatever high color, she stains, and I do not want to be stained. Hopefully my hair does come out orange, because I heard if you dye your hair a lot, your hair gets darker. Somebody just recently told me that, and then they said that's the reason why my hair turned like this burgundy, but I never heard of that until last week. Put on the ear also, because that gets touched a lot. Instructions are obviously in the back too, but I don't never read it, so I feel like I should read it today. Nah, we're not gonna read it because it's matter. So I usually like to cut it from the bottom. One thing for sure, RIP to my nails. By me, Avi. I know they're gonna get fucked up, messed up, sorry, stopping the cursing. So we're just gonna eye it, but they have a little measuring thing on the side, 2.4, and finally. So I'm gonna let it sit in my hair for like a good 30-40 minutes, 45, whatever, and then I'm gonna come back when it's washed out, and then we're gonna style it. So I just want to take a second to let you guys know that my hair didn't come out how I wanted it to come. It came out you can't focus cause this shit right here about to make me mad. Bro, okay, so look, check this out. So this is what we're working with right now. We're working with the red is back. This freaking bright ass red is back. Then check this out, hold on. Orange, burgundy, and then red. So obviously this was a fail. Why they do me like that? Because I actually these little strips right here, I had to bleach them to get them so I could do a little different colors in the front. So I had to bleach this. And I really don't want to bleach my hair to achieve the orange, but I think that's just what I have to do because I cannot go outside like this. Good thing I don't got nowhere to go. What thing I can do, really, like it's red. Try to blow dry it first, see how it looks blow dried, and then I'll come back and then show you how it looks. So yeah, blow dried out a little bit. She a little red still. See, it's just red. It's red, and I'm gonna go keep blowing it out. But okay, I won't even say red. I would say like a scarlet. And I don't really, it's not the color that I'm aiming for. So I'm gonna go and straighten it now, and we're gonna come right back. We're not finishing this video till my hair is the color that I want it to be. Okay. This is what the outcome is. It's a difference from when I first started my hair in the beginning of this video, but it's not the color that I wanted. I wanted orange, and I'm back to not to square one. I'm back to the color that I had before. Basically, the only thing that we have going on here is you can't really see it, but like on the top, like right here, let me if you could see it, but you can't really see it. It's like it's orange. I will say that is like that because we're growing out. As it caught more on my natural hair. It's still not the color that I want. Probably I'll upload this video and show you how much of a fail this is, and show you what not to do when it comes to dyeing your hair. I'm just so used to using the high color highlight because it does lighten my hair. I think I'm gonna have to strip out the color off from my hair and then dye orange, but I feel like it's just gonna be more work, and I feel like it's gonna damage my hair even more. Comment down below, tell me what to do. What did I do wrong? I feel like I know what I did wrong, but if you know what I did wrong, can you just comment down below. That's the end of my video. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel if you're new, and like I said, if you know what I did wrong in my hair, please let me know. Follow my social media accounts. I'm gonna put it in the description box below, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.
And I'ma put my trust in you. And she so gangster with it, yeah, she a thug. Remember I met